The University of Medicine and Dentistry of New Jersey celebrates a rich legacy of service to New Jersey and the world.
My name is Carl Hock. My current titles are the Senior Associate Dean for Research and the Senior Associate Dean for the Graduate School of Biomedical Sciences at the School of Osteopathic Medicine. When I started in 1985, my laboratory was actually in Camden, next to Cooper Hospital, in the Education and Research building there. We were told when I was recruited that we were going to build a medical school campus in Camden around Cooper Hospital. However, plans changed over the years. We kept hearing that there was going to be a new campus that would be built. And for those first 5 years, I commuted to New Brunswick to help teach our first and second year SOM students who were housed at New Brunswick. My area is physiology, so I would go up to help teach physiology laboratories and things, commuting to New Brunswick from Camden. And so it wasn't really until 1990 that the buildings were built on this campus to consolidate our class here and have all 4 years of medical school be delivered here on the Stratford campus. We had to get all of the basic requirements to have a research campus in place. It may be hard to appreciate on some of the other campuses where those have been established for many years. Here on the Stratford campus, we actually had to kind of start from the ground up in getting our accreditations and our assurances and licenses established. Often other osteopathic medical schools have a de-emphasis on research, but we wanted to really emphasize it here at our school. And largely that was facilitated both by the leadership here on this campus, but it was also facilitated by being part of a larger university, being part of UMDNJ. I think research is very important in the reputation of a school. When you have a faculty that's involved in research and is always looking, asking questions and trying to answer them, and looking for better ways to provide clinical care or better understandings of basic biology and pathophysiology, those faculty are going to also be better teachers and better educators as well. And I think that translates into a benefit for your academic programs and the reputation of your school. So they're all really intertwined, I think. And I think that's been one of the things that's been most rewarding to me about being involved in the growth of the Stratford campus, is that you were able to be involved from the ground up in helping to along with many talented colleagues here, to be able to build an environment in which many of us can be successful as researchers and faculty. We will be transferring our graduate program that we developed here on the Stratford campus, that was part of the Graduate School of Biomedical Sciences of UMDNJ, that will be transitioning to Rowan. Rowan has just recently developed a School of Biomedical Sciences, an undergraduate school. So they are developing a track that will more specifically train undergraduate students for careers in the biomedical sciences. So I think having our graduate school joining their undergraduate school of biomedical sciences will create a nice continuum potentially that they can market and advertise for students coming there, with the addition of them now having two medical schools as part of Rowan University, the Cooper Medical School and the School of Osteopathic Medicine. There will be opportunities for professional training in medicine as well, all part of the same university. And I think there are some very exciting times ahead, I think, for growth in those areas.
We celebrate the many accomplishments of UMDNJ and eagerly look forward to further achievements that lie ahead.